Welcome back to the vlog series where we're spending the last 2 days in Jamahkiri Resort on Koh Tao. This evening we're heading to Sari Beach to check out one of my favourite American restaurants here. So let's get going. This is the Flamin' Hog, which offers some of the best barbecue ribs on the island, but you definitely also come here to get plied with alcohol.
What have you got?
Margarita bowl. No, frozen margarita bowl.
Frozen margarita bowl, yeah. You having that just
Number one.
all for yourself, yeah? 1.2 litres. Nice.
Yeah.
Strong?
At the bottom, yeah.
At the bottom.
Yeah. She gets more alcohol, so then.
God, we're gonna fall off a cliff tonight.
Damian is a bit picky when it comes to meat, so luckily they have a whole Mexican menu with plenty of chicken and veggie options.
Where's your food? Stuffed.
Let me finish this, yeah.
Cheese.
For that long, it's melted.
1.2 litres of frozen tequila.
Yeah,
Well, margarita, yeah. Very flush in the face after half a litre of frozen margarita. Jeez. So you can tell this ice cream is very fresh because the mango tastes like very ripe. Gotta be best ice cream place in Koh Tao. So it is.
We were running low on sun cream, so we visited the local pharmacy, and frankly we were shocked at how expensive one bottle was. And after a few more drinks, we decided to head home for the evening. Welcome back. Today is the last day, it's like the last couple of hours in Jamahkiri Resort. So we're checking out at 11, it is currently now 9:45. We're about to go for breakfast, our last breakfast here, and we're kind of check out by 11 essentially. Still haven't got a clue what we're doing in terms of the pickup from Sari. There's a free shuttle that will take us back to Mainam Pier from Jamahkiri. So I might just look into whether or not there's a direct taxi transfer. This is our last breakfast here, so let's enjoy it. So I haven't actually counted the stairs here. It'd be interesting to know how many there are. Definitely not disability friendly. But yeah, getting to breakfast every day is a little bit of a trek. And there's no shortcut. So that is the consequence when the hotel is made into the side of a hill. It's really crab. It's really crab. Are you ready for this? That's a stunning view, isn't it? It's 100. That's actually probably not that many. I think we're just exposing ourselves to be really unfit. Or myself, at least.
That's probably the one.
Yeah, that's true. Babe, I didn't hit record. We're gonna have to go and do that all again.
No. No.
No, he's not gonna fall for that. So we are here. Let's give you a perspective. So take your shoes off when you go in. Upstairs. Bare feet. So we are checking out in half an hour and we need to get our luggage back to the reception. Thankfully we don't have to navigate these stairs. There is a service road that kind of runs down the side of the hotel, but we need to tell the concierge that we're actually leaving. So let's give him a quick message. Morning. To be fair, going downhill shouldn't have been exhausting. Sorry for that. And then this bit is such a stunning view as well. Just in the background. Oh, and relief. So we've got half an hour to get a good shower, pack, finish packing, and then, yeah, get sorted, and then move on to the next destination. Peace. And we're off. This was the day before Damian's birthday, and little did he know I had a surprise lined up for him before we left. But I had to tell a little white lie to get him to stick around for it. So we're sat here waiting for our shuttle, and I've never sweated so much in 10 minutes of my life. I don't even know why.
Because it's warm?
Yeah, but
Because it's very warm?
yeah, but I've not sweated this much. Like even going to breakfast, like that wasn't so hot. So why is this such a problem? Anyway, we've got some coconut shakes to cool us down. Yeah. Although this place could really do with like a fan. I can't believe I'm bitching about being warm.
We're in a hot country.
I know, yeah.
It's very warm.
So Damian's just gone to the restroom. It's his birthday tomorrow, and I'm gonna surprise him with a spa treatment. He was basically looking at the spa menu and asking about the oil massages, and said that he'd really fancy a coconut oil massage. So he doesn't know it, but I'm allowed to take him up to the spa and get him a 60-minute massage. He actually thinks we're getting the next shuttle to the pier, but he's got a little surprise in for him. I don't think our coconut milkshake was such a good idea. It's really hanging my tummy. I'm feeling a bit sick. But can you just stop a second, please?
just been informed that the shuttle's been cancelled.
Yeah, it's like
And actually, you've got an oil massage scheduled.
you've got a what?
You've got an oil massage scheduled for 12 o'clock.
You don't, that's a lie.
You do.
I do have an massage, no switching.
It's fine. You'll get told off.
You're joking.
I'm joking.
I don't believe you.
You do. You actually do. It was meant to be a birthday gift, but now that we're both very sweaty, we'll be told off. It's fine.
Are you getting one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You actually?
Yeah.
I don't know if I believe you.
So, okay, I have a booking for 12 o'clock for 2 people
I don't know if I believe him.
for an oil massage with coconut oil.
Coconut oil?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, it's fine. No. It's your birthday, babe. It's your birthday.
It's not.
It's your birthday tomorrow. It's your birthday tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, oil massage. Yeah, you do oil massage also.
So we went for the coconut oil massage. I will say that I didn't film the actual massage because nobody wants to see my sweaty body being oiled up by a Thai lady. The massage itself was quite relaxing though. Massage is an important part of Thai culture, although we didn't get a Thai massage per se, but if it's your first time in Thailand, I would absolutely recommend indulging in this. We are back from our relaxing massage. Yeah. How was that for you?
It's great. Lovely.
I'm handsome here. It's something else. I feel like I felt things that I've never felt before. I'm joking. But no, it was great. It was a very relaxing atmosphere. Very calming music. Very professional ladies, and I'm glad they were very they were quite petite. At one point, one of them was literally the whole body weight was on top of me. So yeah, that was very nice. Was it what you expected?
Yeah.
How was it? Were you expecting anything?
Well, exactly true. To be fair. But massage. But it was good. It was just get into the knots.
I'd say definitely worth the price. A bit more expensive because it's in a hotel. It's probably twice the price overall. But I mean, for Thailand, it's not too bad. It's a bit more expensive because it was coconut oil. Right, so just waiting for our taxi. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long. Definitely won't miss this very steep road. The staff at our next resort were kind enough to organise a pick-up directly from our current hotel. This saved us from having to go to the pier and then get picked up from the pier, which would have been such a waste of time. But, like Jamahkiri, Saidang is located over some very steep hills on the south coast of the island. So we are here at Saidang. This is the main reception here, so let's check in. Hopefully the room is ready. It's nearly 2 o'clock, isn't it? Sit down over here. Over here, maybe. It's a new edition. Passport. What's that? A honeymoon? I didn't realise we were married.
Oh.
Happy anniversary. the tip boxes, and you can tip which department you want. After about half an hour, our rooms were ready. One of the ground staff loaded our bags onto a motorbike with a sidecar, and we squeezed in alongside. Sai Dang is yet another resort with beautiful surroundings. Just take a look at this ride to our hotel room. So anyway, that's all I'm going to tease about this resort for now. Check out the next video for the room tour of Sai Dang. Comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on Koh Tao.